To check the status of a withdrawal with Interactive Brokers (IBKR), navigate to the Transaction Status and History page within the client portal. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Log into your IBKR client portal. Access your account through the Interactive Brokers website. 2. Navigate to Transfer and Pay. Locate the Transfer and Pay section, either directly from the main menu or through the menu option in the top left corner. 3. Access Transaction Status and History. Within the Transfer and Pay section, click on Transaction Status and History. 4. Review your transaction history. The page will display a list of your funding transactions, including withdrawals. 5. Filter and search, optional. You can filter the list by date range, transaction type, method, or status. 6. Check the withdrawal status. Identify your withdrawal request within the list and note its current status. Common statuses include. Thanks for watching.